floors 143 and 163. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for east central Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Chisago and Isanti.
Hauser, Luka just a little bit too big to stop that jump shot.
11 in the first quarter for Doncic. Mavericks lead is 4. Here's Brown bullying his way down the lane. Pass out to the wing, Tatum. Now he drives hard.
Sounds like a basketball game is going.
Polk County in northwestern Wisconsin until 8:45 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cambridge, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cambridge, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impact.
His second double of the game, and the Twins now lead it 16-8.
So the Twins roll to the victory today.
Will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near North Branch around 8:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Spring Lake, Harris, Wolf Creek, Wild River, State Park, and Branch. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 149 and 155. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Chisago and Isanti, and Polk, Wisconsin.
Days. I've been taking a male vitality stack.
Not bad, but if the Twins want to be taken seriously, that's a team you have to win this.
It's either you now that the one I can't imagine ever
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Webster County in central Iowa until 9:15 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lizard Creek State Recreation Area, or 5 miles west of Fort Dodge, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Dodge Regional Airport, Dayton, Couville, Otho, Lehi, Duncombe, Callander, Harcourt, Barnum, Moorland, Clare, Woodman Hollow State Park, Dolliver Memorial State Park, Lizard Creek State Recreation Area, and Brushy Creek Street Recreation Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Des Moines. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the
Hey, parents, is the process of finding a babysitter a process? Jovi Nanny.
New warning just got issued for Anoka.
I feel like it's gotten worse over the past, 2 years.
Campaign infrastructure, at least some semblance of it, in place. Newsom's been planning on running for.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Anoka County, southwestern Isanti County, northeastern Sherburne County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Zimmerman for 20.
I saw Jesus bleeding the cross.
Hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Andover, Ramsey, Elk River, St. Francis, Zimmerman, Oak Grove, Northern, Oric, Cedar, and Sherburne National Wildlife Refuge. This includes U.S. Highway 169 between mile markers 162 and 173. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and east central Minnesota. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Anoka, Isanti, and Sherburne.
In Europe, HairGrow is now available in the U.S.
Anoka County until 10 p.m. At 9:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Francis, or 14 miles south of Cambridge, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Andover, Leno Lakes, Ham Lake, East Bethel, Oak Grove, and Cedar. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following county: Anoka, Minnesota.
Kesty comeback wins for Dallas. They trailed by 18. Game 2 against Minnesota, they trailed by 17.
Too late. Nope. There he goes.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hardin County in central Iowa, southeastern Franklin County in northern...
Let me see if I can get 1700. Nope, just 1540.
Quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Iowa Falls, Texas, Wellsburg, Steamboat Rock, Bradford, Free Municipal Airport, between Lake State Industries. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 a.m. Thursday for the following counties in Iowa: Franklin, Grundy, and Hardin.
Alright. There's that for 1540.